news reaching me is that our underground people in the Ahafo region, which is a remote area in Ghana, are having some trouble with the internet, but they are working on it. So I am going to start with some of the introductions so we don't delay. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, if you can.
Yeah, perfectly.
All right, thank you. So welcome everyone to the Establishing Technology Footprints for the Advancement of Agribusinesses series of workshops targeted at the inhabitants in the Ahafo region of Ghana. My name is Efia Usufofie, and I am the founder of Coders Who Travel. Coders Who Travel is a US-based 501c3 tax-exempt organization with a vision to inspire and advance the careers of coders, that is, computer and mathematical programmers, in less developed regions of the world. Our mission is to deliver project-based knowledge, world-class work experience, and career-defining professional communities. We focus in developing areas in both advanced countries and emerging economies. Currently, Ghana and the US have been our models, but we have a standing invitation in Rwanda to do some business over there with the University of Rwanda. Since we got founded, we've done a lot of different types of events, just feeling the nonprofit, aspect or industry. And this is a timeline of the highlights of activities we have conducted since we filed for our MPO since December 2016. Time will not allow me to touch on all of them, but certainly it has been a mix of great adventures all the way from 2016, 2017 through to 2021. Currently, we would like to relaunch a Veterans Can Code initiative in the US for servicemen and women, and internationally continue to extend our travels to rural towns like the Ahafo region we are targeting today. If at any point you would like to support us today and beyond, these are the multiple ways of giving to Coders Who Travel. Your donation goes towards key items for dispatching coders and empowering a community with laptops, projectors, internet access, transportation, accommodation, etc. It's a good time to share that 6 members from Coders Who Travel's Ghana chapter in the capital of Ghana, Accra, have traveled for about 9-10 hours or even more to this location called Kukuum in Ahafo region, which is 10 miles from a district called Goso. And so we are very proud of them. Nabia Al-Hassan, Bright Bobby, Leslie, Ceci Tonyo, Joseph Lawrence Hammond, Kwame Afresika, and Priscilla Paulina Tetega. We are very grateful for the effort they've shown and how they are caring for these underprivileged students and entrepreneurs in that region. With me are our partners, Honorable Ing Kobia Mensah, representing the Amend Foundation, and Carla Vila Lobos, representing Microsoft. And shout outs to our social media partners, the Insifu Group, 2112 Charity, and Baobab Entrepreneur. We encourage all of you to use hashtags that we will be sharing throughout the program and share something about what you learned during this time. During the program, as you get insights, we encourage you to share on social media with your friends and family your experience. Now I'm going to stop sharing my screen and check if Carla or Hobby has arrived. Okay, they're still not here, so without further ado, let's get into introductions. So first, let me go over the agenda for today. We are going to have introductions, which I just said. Then we are going to have an expert from the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, Andrea Carabellese, and he will talk about how technology has powered the agribusiness economy in Italy and how Ghana might learn from the lessons learned for 30 minutes. Then we're going to shift into Grow Your Business with LinkedIn Pages workshop. Might be an hour to 1.5 hours, depending on content. Then we'll move into tools to help innovate your business. Then we'll enjoy a 1-hour break. Then we'll reconvene and do panel discussions. The topic is a partnership for the future, employees and entrepreneurs working side by side. Then we're going to move into networking. There'll be a short presentation, and then we will allow people to get to know each other. Then we will go into make your life more creative, organized, and secure with Microsoft 365. Then those on the ground will take photos and videos and testimonials, but I encourage you to also record with your cell phone or your computer recorder or laptop recorder and send in a short testimonial about your experience today. So now we are going to move into, I want to talk about this annotate feature. On your screen, you are going to see view options at the very top, and there's an option for annotate. And when you click on that, this array of options from mouse, select text, draw stamp, etc. bar that you see will be displayed. So as we will have another exercise about location, and we're going to use this annotate feature. But for now, let's go around the room, name, profession, job, and location. And so I'll kickstart that. My name is Efia Usufofie. My 9-to-5 full-time job is a senior consultant with Deloitte & Touche, and I'm the founder of Coders Who Travel, and I do it on the side. Deloitte allows me to do firm initiatives. In fact, it's a requirement. And so I have given back through facilitation, but actively working to ensure that my time with Coders Who Travel will count as a firm initiative. And to that end, we've had a very successful meeting with the nonprofit outreach office. And so I hope that comes to pass so I can seamlessly volunteer in this role. I'm located in Fairfax, Virginia, in the United States. And so I think on my next screen, I have Gary Odom, who is going to be one of the presenters for today. So Gary, over to you.
Well, good morning, everyone. My name is Gary Odom. I am from Washington, D.C. area, more specifically, Northern Virginia. My regular 9-to-5, I am a social impact commercial real estate developer, where we focus on doing commercial real estate development in underserved communities across the U.S. Definitely a pleasure to be here this morning. Thanks to Afia. I have had an opportunity before to provide content for those in Ghana on a pastor workshop. I'm also an adjunct professor at Georgetown University, where I work with graduate students on the feasibility studies of their capstone projects, which are necessary for graduation. So, and I'm also an Air Force veteran. So pleasure to be on the call this morning with everyone.
Thank you, Gary. Swetha, I see you are next on the screen. Swetha, you have to come off mute.
Hello, everyone. This is
Swetha,
Shweta.
you have to come off mute. Uh-oh, echoes. Uh-oh, echoes.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Hello, everyone. This is Shweta. I am from India. I have 8 years of experience into IT industry as a test automation architect. I am into Python programming, VB script, and JavaScript. My interests are to teach online whatever I learned so far in this 8 years of experience. And I would like to take up the projects alone. So this is a quick introduction about myself.
Thank you, Swetha. We are very happy to be that you are here. Thank you, Swetha. We are very happy to be that you are here. Swetha, can you put yourself on mute? Yes, great, because of the echoes. Emanuela, your turn.
Hi everyone, my name is Emanuela Amici and I'm Ghanaian and a student of Carnegie Mellon University, also a member of Coders Who Travel. I would be a co-coach for today and would be facilitating the workshop on using LinkedIn pages and resume writing and building. And I'm happy to meet everyone and happy to be here.
Thank you, Emanuela. Andrea.
Hello, everyone. My name is Andrea Carabellese. I am Italian. I work for United Nations Industrial Development Organization. Later on, I will explain better which is the task and the mission of my organization. And well, very happy to be here. Thanks, Afia, for the invitation, and I hope to interact also during my intervention with all of you.
You're welcome. Fifi.
Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Fifi Beidu from Ghana. I'm the founder and chief cloud architect for CloudPort. So CloudPort provides cloud solutions and services and also a Google Cloud partner in Ghana. Our primary business is to help business and organizations move their operations to the cloud. And so we do this by providing custom solutions, in some cases building cloud native applications. And we also work a lot with startups, and myself volunteer most of my time as well with helping startups bootstrap and building their MVPs.
Thank you, Fifi. Pleasure having you. John. John, if you can come off mute and introduce yourself. John, are you there? All right, moving on, Hilda.
Hi, everyone. My name is Hilda Smith. I'm a consultant with Chemonics International office in Ghana, currently coordinating the oxygen ecosystem activity, bringing support to COVID-19 patients in 4 cities in Ghana. Got a wind of this activity, and I just wanted to listen in and then see how best I can contribute to your efforts going forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Hilda. Beatrice, you just joined, but we're doing introductions. So can you introduce yourself, your name, profession, and location?
Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Beatrice. I am in Accra and I'm a chemical engineering manager with the Ghana Health Service. Over, thank you.
Beatrice, can you speak up a bit? I didn't hear you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Beatrice from Ghana. A chemical engineering manager with the Ghana Health Service. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so we're going to do something fun. Look above your Zoom screen, you will see view options, then click on annotate, and then you can pick the stamp or a test by putting in your name. Let us see who is here, your locations. If the annotate is not working for you, you can put your location in the chat. Please put your location in the chat or mark it with annotate. Okay, I only see someone in Rwanda on the annotate. Okay, Accra, Ghana, Rome, Italy, Washington, DC, and India, Hyderabad city. Let me put mine too. I'm in Fairfax, Virginia. So now, since the rest are still not here, let me stop sharing my screen to see if more people have joined. I'm gonna go on mute and give a series of calls, 2 more calls, and I'll be back. Thank you for your patience. Hi, I see two Emmanuels. Emmanuel Ano, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, your name, what you do, and your location will be great.
All right. My name is Emmanuel Yalbenu Ano. I'm currently a student at Carnegie Mellon University, Africa, pursuing a master's in electrical and computer engineering. So I'm currently in Rwanda right now. Thank you.
Oh, okay. And I think Emanuela invited you. So Emanuela, thank you for bringing him. There's a second Emanuela. No, there's a second Emmanuel. So Emmanuel, if you can introduce yourself.
Okay. Actually, I'm using someone's phone to join. My name is Ajay Evans from our region.
What do you do, Evans?
Oh, I'm a student. I'm doing my national service. I just completed school this year.
Oh, okay. And you said you are in Ahafo. Okay, thanks for joining us.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah. Welcome, Carla. Do you want to introduce yourself? Carla is a representative from Microsoft. So Carla, over to you. Emmanuel, yes.
Hi. Yes. Sorry, I'm gonna get my camera ready. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and introduce myself and then get the camera ready. But good morning, everyone. My name is Carla Villalobos, and I actually work for Microsoft. So I'm really happy to be here. A lot of the work that I do at Microsoft is centered around education. I currently work on a team that focuses on virtual education for the underserved communities. Locally, nationally, and globally. And we also connect with nonprofits and help them get set up in Microsoft's Give program for matching volunteering time and donations and connections with philanthropies and obtain softwares and such. So I'm really happy to be here. Nice to meet you all. Nice to virtually meet you all. And I'll get my camera up in just a little bit. Thank you.
Thank you, Carla. And that puts us exactly at 30 minutes past the hour.